Welcome to Tiny Tales. Let's learn together.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hat, you wear it around. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for juice, a fruity slice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a loud cry. N is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nest, for birds to be. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin, dressed in white. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining in the sky. T is for train, going by. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin, with music it plays. W is for watch, ticking on your hand. X is for xylophone, music so grand. U is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped black and brown.
Welcome, kids, to Alphabet Island, home, where every letter is alive. Wow! A is for apple, crunchy and red, falling from trees right over my head. Thank you, A. B is for butterfly, fluttering high, colors dancing in the sky. Remember, kids, C is for cat with a tiny meow, jumping and playing around us now. Hi, kiddos! I'm D, the donut D. D is for donut, sugary treat, round and yummy fun. Hi, friends! I'm E, the elephant E. Ribbit. I'm F, the frog who loves to jump. F is for frog who loves to hop, jumping hop. Hello, friends. I'm G, the giraffe G. G is for giraffe, so tall. H is for house where friends stay tight, warm and cozy every night. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, coolest treat you love to eat. J is for jelly, wiggle and sway, funny dance in every way. K is for kangaroo, hopping along, jumping high and strong. L is for lion, brave and bold, king of the jungle, strong and gold. M is for moon, shining bright, glowing softly every night. N is for nest where birdies sleep, snuggled close in a little heap. O is for octopus, deep in the sea, waving his arms happily. P is for parrot, talking all day. Hello, hello, is what he'll say. Q is for queen with a shiny crown, waving happily to the town. R is for rainbow, bright and wide, colors dancing side by side. magic through the night. T is for tulip, blooming tall, bright and pretty for one and all. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry under the raindrops from the sky. V is for violin, playing sweet music, dancing to the beat. W is for whale, splashing around, making waves without a sound. X is for xylophone, ding ding dong, magic music all day long. Y is for yarn, soft and bright, rolling, twisting, light and tight. Z is for zebra, fast and free, striped like magic. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Let's repeat again.
A is for apple, B is for butterfly, C is for cat. I'm D, the donut D. D is for donut. Hi friends, I'm E, the elephant E. Ribbit. I'm F, the frog who. Hello friends, I'm G, the giraffe. H is for house, where I is for ice cream cone. J is for jelly, wiggle and K is for kangaroo. L is for lion, brave and bold. M is for moon, shining bright. N is for nest where birdies sleep. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for parrot, talking all day. Hello. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, bright and wide. S is for star that twinkles bright. T is for tulip, blooming tall, bright and pretty for one and all. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale, splashing around. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarns. Z is for zebra, fast and free. A to Z we learned today. Letters help us read and play. Every creature.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.